Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to the West Cork Beard Company YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about beard oil, what it's used for and how to apply it. Today I'm going to be using some beard oil on my beard. I'm going to be putting a few drops on my hand and massaging into the skin underneath the beard. It's fantastic for the hair in the fact that it softens, it gives it a little bit of a scent, and it also gives a little bit of a shine as well if that's what you want. But mostly, the most important thing is to stop the beard dandruff from falling onto your t-shirts. What you need to do is you need to moisturize the skin underneath the beard, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to take a few drops out of my beard bottle here. If you have a small beard, all you need is a couple of drops. So maybe a small beard, 1, 2, 3 drops. A medium beard, you're probably going 5 or 6. And for a big beard, which was what I probably would have, I'm going to put a little puddle of beard oil into my hand. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get my other hand, put the fingers into the oil, and I'm going to actually massage it into the skin underneath the beard now first. So I'm going to go from my ears down, and what I'm doing is I'm feeling from my jawline and I'm kind of running my fingers across my jawline up and down from that, making sure I get everywhere. I have my mirror here. I'm gonna use that to make sure I have every space. Now I'm after running out of oil, so I need a little bit more. As I say, bigger beards need more oil, so I'm gonna go from the other ear this time, rubbing it into the skin, really getting in there. That's it. Get underneath as well. Good stuff. Almost there. I'm going to make sure I get the moustache as well. So rub it in there like that. Okay, what's after happening now is all the oil is gone from my hands, but there is still a bit of residue on it. So what I'm going to do is rub my hands together, and now I'm going to start putting the oil onto the hair itself. So I'm rubbing my beard from ears to chin. That's going to get most of the oil that's on my hands onto my beard, and that's enough oil for the actual hair itself. Now, next step is to get your brush, and what you're going to do is, again, brush from your ears down towards your chin. Go one side. I'd like to brush all the way through first. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to use my hand as well. So I'm going to stroke down and go the other side as well. And now, what I like to do with my brushing of the beard is I like to go out at a little bit of an angle rather than straight down. It gives my beard a little bit more of a fuller look, and also it's kind of naturally grows that way anyway. So I found over the years that that's the best way for mine, but you can experiment with your own on what way works best. Okay, so like I say, I'm going to use my hand as well as the brush to get all the stray hairs down, and what we're finished with is a fairly nicely shaped, good looking beard that has a little bit of shine, a little bit of scent, and is nice and soft. So what you're left with is a very well moisturized beard. It's nice and soft from the oil as well. It's in a good shape, and also it has a nice scent, a little bit of shine as well. Hopefully that gives you a few beard tips for your own beard care routine. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like the video, and of course you can comment or leave questions in the comment section below. Thanks a million for watching, and see you in the next video.